Maritime accident law in Houston, Texas. Workers in the maritime industry face some of the highest risk of being injured on the job compared to the other fields of employment. Maritime law recognizes the hazards that seamen and maritime workers face. The law provides them with the rights to seek extensive compensation and benefits if they are injured or developed on occupational illness due to the negligence of their employers or the owner operation of their vessel. For more than 25 years, the Houston Maritime Injury Attorney of the Callahan Law Firm have fought the secure maximum compensation for our clients who have been injured. We understand the difficulties that injured accident victims face when trying to get compensation from big corporations and their insurance companies. That's why we take a small firm approach. We limit the number of cases we take on so that we can give you and your case the full attention and effort you deserve. We bring extensive knowledge and experience to every case we handle. Founding attorney Michael S. Chalahan has an engineering background and is board certified in personal injury trial law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. You can trust that we have the ability to handle even the most complex offshore accident injury claims. Learn more about the compensation and benefits you may be entitled for your injuries. Contact our firm today to set up a free initial case review with the Houston Maritime Law Firm. Understanding maritime law is compromised for several different federation statutes. Those statutes give people who are injured on sea vessels or in maritime facilities the right to pursue compensation with their injuries and caused by the negligence of employees or vessel facility owner by operation. Injuries and on land. Injuries to maritime workers that occur at shore-based maritime facilities such as dry docks, cargo facilities, and ports are usually covered under the longshore harbors covers compensation. Injuries navigable waters. Injuries to maritime workers that occur on the navigable waters on the United States are usually covered by the Jones Act. Injuries to workers on the sea-based facilities such as offshore drilling platforms are usually covered by statutory extension to the longshore and harbor workers compensation act. However, there are a number of exceptions of these rules that depend on the type of vessel the maritime worker was on the time he was injured. Injuries in the harbor. Depending on the exact circumstances of the accident and the injured worker, the Jones Act or the Longshore Harbor Workers Compensation Act may apply. What is the Jones Act? The Jones Act, form called the Merchant Marine Act of 1920, provides legal protections and benefits under admiralty law to persons working as seamen aboard vessels who are injured due to unseaworthiness of the vessel or other act of negligence that occur abroad in vessel in navigable waters. The Jones Act was intended to ensure that maritime workers received compensation when they suffered injuries or illness due to accident or exposure on board the vessels on which they served. However, unlike a workers' compensation claim under Texas law or the law of the other states, the Jones Act provides injured maritime workers with a much broader array of benefits. Your rights under the Jones Act. Thank you very much. This was the Houston Maritime Accident Lawyer in Houston.